Hi, my name is Anya, and today I really want to make some cherry and pecan biscotti. So if you like this video, give it a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to be notified every time I upload.
In a bowl with 1 cup of flour, add in a quarter cup of rolled oats, a half a cup of sugar, a half a teaspoon baking powder, a quarter teaspoon baking soda, and a pinch of salt. Mix to combine, then set aside. In a bowl, combine 1 egg, 3 tablespoons of oil, and 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence. Mix to combine. Add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients. And mix until well incorporated. Add in a half a cup of roasted pecans and a half a cup of cherries. Mix to combine. Place the dough mixture onto a lined baking tray. Dust hands with flour and form dough into a long, flat log. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes, rotating the pan halfway through. Allow to cool for 10 minutes. Then with a knife, cut into strips. Then cut those strips into half. Place back onto a lined baking tray and bake at 160 degrees Celsius for 40 minutes. Stopping halfway to flip the biscotti over. Allow to cool completely. Enjoy some pecan and cherry biscotti.